Oh, yes, today we are going to see how hard it is plaiting the short hair. But guess what? Just subscribe.
Zipa, the crochet master. Shit.
Oh, yes, welcome to our YouTube channel, and I'm by the names of Maurice the Crochet Master. Yes, thank you so much, and this goes to everyone who have subscribed. Thank you so much. And this video is going to be showing you how hard it is like plaiting someone with short hair, but I tried my best to see that I can get something from it, because most of the times when the hair is very short and it's relaxed, sometimes it can be slippery and it's hard to hold. But guys, I tried very hard to see that I get something that we can also you can learn, so that when you see someone with short hair, or when the hair is broken, these are some hairstyles that you can plait and they look good. So don't forget to subscribe so that we get to do this. I'm going to be plaiting the Afro Spring, and most of the people keep asking me how I do plait it. And first, when we're doing the Afro Spring, the first thing we do is the cornrows, and the cornrows are always plait them round, going round. Yes, the cornrows are always around, so that I will be showing you after when I'm done with all the steps of plaiting the Afro Spring. So my cornrows around, and you're seeing how I'm trying to struggle on how to plait it. Though whenever you're plaiting short hair, when the hair is very short, at times we mind about the threads that we use while plaiting. When the hair is long, at least there you can use 2, 3, and 1. Those are 4 threads, 3 to 1. So but here I was using 4 to 2. Those are 6 threads, because it is very short and it is straight. So please try to look at this one, and remember we are outside, we are in the quarantine, so everything I'm doing right now, I do it like we are in the house. I'm not at the salon, so anything that you'll be seeing, just let's keep on, we just focus on the learning. Yes, because for me, all I want is us to keep on learning these things, so that after this quarantine, or maybe this lockdown, we shall be able to plate ourselves, or to get more skills, and we just add on some things that we can be doing for ourselves. So this is how I'm doing my cornrows.
I'm so fresh, supernatural, no pain in every angle, merely
So I
drained.
think you see how hard it is. At times when you try to make a line and you see it refuses, but you have to keep on plating, because if someone wants to plait hair and you can see the hair is short, yes, if you try to, you can get something nice. So on these ones, you have to choose the style that is good for her hair. Yes, and for me, I chose Afro Spring because I know it is short, and it will be on only one position. It will make her hair to grow, and it won't disturb her at all.
Millie dread, yeah. Millie dread, Millie dread, Millie dread, Millie dread, Millie dread, Millie dread.
Oh yeah. so fresh, supernatural, no pain in every angle, merely dread. So simple, hair zipper, take it to another level. You can swim with it, long lasting, light on the head, no hustle. You can swim with it, long lasting, light on the head, girl, no hustle.
Millie dread, Millie dread,
Millie,
Millie dread, Millie dread,
Millie,
Millie dread, Millie dread,
Millie,
Millie dread, Millie dread,
oh yeah.
Millie dread, Millie dread,
Millie,
Millie dread, Millie dread,
Millie,
Millie dread, Millie dread,
Millie,
Millie dread, Millie dread.
oh yeah. I'm so fresh, supernatural, no pain in every angle, merely dread. So simple, hair zipper, take it to another level. You can swim with it, long lasting, light on the head, no hustle. You can swim with it, long lasting, light on the head, girl, no hustle.
Millie dread, Millie dread,
Millie,
Millie dread, Millie dread,
Millie,
Millie dread, Millie dread,
Millie,
Millie dread, Millie dread,
oh yeah.
Millie dread, Millie dread,
Millie,
Millie dread, Millie dread,
Millie,
Millie dread, Millie dread,
Millie,
Millie dread, Millie dread.
oh yeah.
So like you see, when I'm done, yeah, I always use this needle so that I can hold my swaz to look firm. Yes, so this is how we keep on doing this. Please don't forget to subscribe for me. You can tap for subscribe, and we do this together every time I upload my videos. And remember, we do it every Wednesday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. So you can see how my cornrows from the short hair, the way it was. So I'm going to start doing the Afro spring. So the locking still remained the same. I just put it that side. So when I do it, you can see how I'm locking them. Yeah, it's not the other locking of the crochet. I'm just doing it straight. You can see how it is. Yes, just straight. So that's how I do it. Then after, when I do my Afro spring, like locking it that side, the another thing I'm going to do is to twist. So this is how I twist them. So I make sure I twist everything, every hair. That's how this work. That's how this work is hard. Like how, like, to plait Afro spring. That's how hard it is. Like it needs a lot of work. Like, remember, you have to twist them, all of them. The what I like from Afro spring, it can last longer, and another thing, it protects the hair from breaking, because it's on one position. There's no need of styling it or pulling it all the time. No, it remains the way it's supposed to be. So you can see how I'm perfecting, I'm twisting all the twists that I've locked. So this is how you keep on twisting them. You keep on twisting them up to the end. So you can follow all these. Yeah, they will also help you when you're also doing your Afro spring. So the steps keep on continuing. Yeah, twisting all these twists. So here, when I'm done with the twisting, you see how it looks. Sometimes someone can decide to leave it this free. Still, it can look nice. So for the Afro spring, I have to pull the sideways, like the sides, both sides, so that I do the pinning. Yes, I do the pinning. Most of the times when you do the pinning, I don't guarantee it like the pinning to remain there. So what I always do after doing that pinning, I just sew there. I sew there so that it remain there. Yes. So like when I reach here, I'm showing you how you can trim the Afro spring and they look very very nice and neat. So I'm trimming using my scissor, so you can see how I'm doing it, because she wanted we want to create something very short and something short that won't disturb, but also I'm trimming it, yeah, just as you can see. Wow, so I'm done trimming. You can see how my Afro spring, the way it looks. So this is the thing that you've been waiting for, and you'll be asking, how do I do the Afro spring? But this is the only way that you can also try and do the Afro spring this way. So please don't forget to subscribe, and I love you so much. Keep loving Care Zipper, and thank you so much for supporting us.
Millie Dread, Millie Dread, Millie Dread, Millie Dread, Millie Dread, Millie Dread, Millie Dread,
Oh yeah,
Millie Dread, Millie Dread, Millie Dread, Millie Dread,
Millie.